I am Uday Bhans. Welcome to you to your favorite YouTube channel, Uday Bhans's English or Learn English with Uday Bhans. Today, I shall teach you about the exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences mean you might have found that there are exclamation marks at the end. So, at first we should know what exclamatory sentences are. What are exclamatory sentences? The sentences that express strong feeling. The sentences that express strong feelings. Strong feelings. They are called exclamatory sentences. The sentences that express strong feelings are exclamatory sentences. Strong feelings, or we can say sudden strong feelings. The sentences that express strong feelings are exclamatory sentences. We can say, what a fine picture Sole is. So it is an exclamatory sentence. Another example, how fine the dancer is, or how well Mita danced. It is also another exclamatory sentence. Because these sentences expresses strong feelings, so they are called exclamatory sentences. Now a question arises, how to identify exclamatory sentences? Generally, we identify the exclamatory sentences from their beginning words. So we can say the exclamatory sentences begin with what or how. The exclamatory sentences begin with what or how. What or how. The exclamatory sentences usually begin with what or how. I have taught you before that there are exclamatory sentences that begin with here and there, and they take present simple tense form. And just like now you can see, the exclamatory sentences begin with what and how. And then the exclamatory, that means there is a special feature of exclamatory sentences that they have no negation. That means the exclamatory sentences have only affirmation use, no negation use. Example, what a fine picture. What a fine picture. What a fine picture. What a fine picture. It is not. What a fine picture it is not. Perhaps there is a question, what a fine picture it is not. In bracket, the instruction is given. Say whether the sentence is correct or incorrect. Answer incorrect. Or say what a fine picture it is not. Say whether the sentence is grammatical or ungrammatical. This sentence is ungrammatical. Because the exclamatory sentences have no negation form. Or that means the exclamatory sentences can't be made negative. Okay. Next we shall proceed towards another part, how to make exclamatory sentences. How to make exclamatory sentences. Okay, how to make exclamatory sentences. And at first, what should we do? At first we will have to know the structure. So what are the structures? The structures, or how to make exclamatory sentences. That means perhaps the question is given, Mita dances very well. And in this particular sentence, a question arises in the minds of ours. Whether this sentence, this exclamatory, if we want to turn this sentence into exclamatory. So whether to begin with what or how, what to do. There may be controversy. There may be a controversy in the minds of yours. So what shall we do? Nothing to worry. But just like now you can see here, Mita is the subject. Underline Mita, subject. S. Dances verb. Well adverb. Well adverb. And very, underline very, and very is intensifying adverb. intensifying, intensifying adverb, or oblique, or intensifier, intensifying adverb or intensifier. What shall we do? That means if we find that in a declarative sentence there is an adjective or an adverb, what shall we do? We shall have to follow the structure, that is how plus adjective oblique adverb plus subject plus verb. Okay, that means if we find that in declarative sentences adjective or adverbs are used, adjectives or adverbs are used, in this regard we should begin the exclamatory sentence with how. So as in this particular sentence Mita dances very well, so there is an adverb and it is well, so we shall have to begin the sentence with how. Answer, how. Yes. Wait. After writing how, the structure is how. How plus adjective or adverb. Here the adverb is well. So write the adverb. How well. Then subject. We shall have to use the subject. And subject is Mita, right here. And then subject plus verb. Verb. That means here dances is the verb. Dances. So that means this sentence has become an exclamatory sentence because we have to follow the pattern, we have to follow the structure. What is the structure? How plus adjective oblique adverb plus subject plus verb. And here how is this? How plus adverb plus subject plus verb. But only one thing is left, and that is very. And here very is an intensifier. In exclamatory sentences, intensifiers are not used. That means if, in other words, if in exclamatory sentences intensifiers are used, and such types of sentences are ungrammatical, so it will be better on the part of us to leave them, to leave the intensifiers. That means no intensifier can be used in exclamatory sentences. Okay. Perhaps I think that the structure is clear. How plus adjective oblique adverb plus subject plus verb. That means if we find that in the declarative pattern, declarative sentence, there is an adjective or there is an adverb, in this regard we have to follow this structure. Now the structure number 2. That means the structure number 2 is what plus noun phrase plus subject plus verb. That means if we find in a declarative sentence there is a noun phrase, if we find that in a declarative sentence there is a noun phrase, in this regard we have to follow this pattern. And what is the pattern? The pattern is what plus noun phrase plus subject plus verb. What plus noun phrase plus subject plus verb. That means if in declarative sentence we can find that there is a noun phrase, and in this regard we shall have to follow, we shall have to adopt the pattern, that is what plus noun phrase plus subject plus V1. Example, Mita is a good dancer. Kunima, underline a good dancer. A good dancer, noun phrase. Noun phrase. Mita subject. Mita subject. Is verb. Is verb. And its answer will be what? That means as in this particular sentence there is a noun phrase. The answer, that means will be, that means this sentence should begin with what? Answer you can write what? Then noun phrase. What plus noun phrase? Noun phrase is a good dancer. You can write a good dancer. What a good answer. What a good answer. Then subject is Mita. What a good answer, Mita. Then a verb. The verb is. And in this regard, no intensifier is used. And if the sentence will be Mita is a very good answer, we also omit very, because very is an intensifier or intensifying adverb. In exclamatory sentences, no intensifier is used. So Mita is a good answer. Here a good answer is a noun phrase, and as it is a noun phrase, so in this pattern we have to begin the exclamatory sentence with what, and after beginning with what, then we'll have to use NP, that means noun phrase, and then subject, that is Mita, and then is, that is the verb. Perhaps I think that I have given you a complete information regarding the exclamatory sentence. And if you think this channel is or will be useful to you, please like, share, comment, follow and subscribe it. Thank you.